Espaillat, and I am a non-attorney representative here at Gardberg Kemmerly. And I just wanted to take a few minutes to speak to you today about some things you can do to avoid pitfalls before a hearing. These are three of the top things I want to discuss with you. I've been working in Social Security law for almost 20 years, and I can tell you there's a lot of information that is needed before having a hearing, but we're just going to focus on three topics. One, I recommend that you get a representative for your hearing days. So many people come into us that have never had a representative before, and it is right before their hearing. And sometimes we may not have time to adequately prepare your file and give you the best representation that you need when you come in just days before your hearing. It is best as soon as you request that hearing or as soon as you file that application to go ahead and contact us so that we can begin working on your disability claim. Second thing is to see a doctor for consistent treatment and make sure that this evidence is submitted to Social Security. If you have not had a representative, then Social Security will get your information from you, but many times by the time you get to a hearing, that information was gathered at the beginning of your case, and there could be months or years of evidence missing from your file. Here at Gardberg and Kemmerly, we're able to look at your file, make sure that your information gets requested, received, and forwarded properly. We also review the exhibits on a consistent basis to make sure that everything is in your file and up to date, and that your medical records document your severe impairments. We are constantly preparing your file along the way for your course of representation, not just when the hearing is scheduled, but it is very important that you are getting treatment to support your claim. Waiting to see a doctor when the hearing is set could be too late. The third thing is talk to your doctor, your nurse practitioner, or your therapist about the fact that you filed for disability. This is crucial to a determination for disability. Social Security can use statements from your treating physicians about your abilities and limitations to help determine disability. It is important that you tell your doctors everything that is going on with you, including the fact that you filed for disability. I consistently have to remind my clients about this, to speak to their doctors. I know when you go in, sometimes you're so focused on the things that are wrong, but it's real important to speak to your doctors about the fact that you filed for disability, or a nurse practitioner or mental health therapist, whoever is giving you treatment. These are just the top three things I believe you should think about before having a hearing. These are not the only three things you should need to do. Here at Gardberg and Kemmerly, we are prepared to help you with your disability claim, and we have over 30 years of helping those with disability. If you are thinking about filing a claim for Social Security disability or VA disability, then call us right now at 251-343-1111 or 1-800-332-1529. Or you can look us up on the web at www.gardberglaw.com. Thank you.